Welcome everybody. Crypto God NYC here, back with another tutorial. We got another airdrop. We got another Web3 tutorial going on for you. Right, we got Beoble. I believe that's the name, right? It's an instant messenger just like WhatsApp. And you could join chat rooms and earn some crypto. You can do some daily tasks and earn some crypto. It's pretty cool, right? So let's get into it. Connect your wallet. All right, we're gonna log into this website. Connect your wallet. Go on your MetaMask. Maybe you might want to use a burner wallet. Maybe not. We're gonna sign this contract. Boom. Allow them to give you notifications and all types of bullshit. Retrieving your account. Okay, let's retrieve my account, pal. Let's see it happen. Alright, MetaMask is doing all types of things. Alright, boom, sign. Make sure you sign. You must have an invite code. If you don't have the invite code, it is in the description. I got you guys. Make sure y'all checking out my NFT project, New York City Squirrels. We do things like this. We got all types of exclusive access, all types of fucking things for you. Right, you could upload an image. We're going to use one of these default images. We're going to claim our handle. What are we going to name ourselves? We're going to name ourselves Far Rock. Right? Boom. Click next. Now, we're going to join some chat rooms. What chat room we're going to join? We're going to go up in there with Nigeria. You already know the fucking vibes. Nigeria up in there. Right? Right. And then it says, what language do you speak? I don't speak any language but fucking English, right? Look, click some English. Boom, we're going in there. Now we're in 2 different chat rooms right now, right? What you want to do, though, you want to join all of them chat rooms. You want to be so active that it doesn't even know what the fuck to do. This guy is the most active person ever. So let's get it going, right? We're going to click the settings right here to the bottom right and click the collection guide, right? Now we got these little tasks that we have to complete, right? And we're going to complete some of these tasks. Not all of them, but most of them, right? We're going to learn how to react to messages, super react to messages. We're going to do this GM task right here. We're going to follow 3 people, and that's about it, right? So this is what we're going to do. Go back to the bottom left. We're going to go into general. The first thing it tells us to do is write GM up in there. So we wrote GM and we just completed that task, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to send a super reaction to somebody. So this guy right here is going to be happy. We're going to send him a super reaction. Boom, send, right? It's this cat thing right here. Oh, I don't have enough points to do it. Are you dead ass, bro? So we're gonna spam in this chat, right? We're gonna write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? It's a lot going on. We don't have enough points yet. We don't have enough points. It's all right. So if you want to super react to somebody, make sure you follow this Telegram right here. You got to click that button right there, and it's gonna put you on. Now let's say you want to follow somebody. You click on their name and you click follow. All right, you want to message them, you click message and you be like, hey pal, how you doing? All right, cool. What else can we do? We're going to learn how to send a regular reaction. So we're going to highlight over a message. You see the smiley face right here? Yeah, I know you see the smiley face. Hit it with this right here, right? Hit it with that. That is a reaction, a regular reaction. Now, if you want to send a super reaction, you got to click this cat right here again. All right, click on it and go send a point. Boom. We don't have enough points to do it, but that's how you do it, right? So what you want to do right now is you want to build up these points. You want to get to level 1. If you do not get to level 1, you are not getting the airdrop. So you want to get to level 1. Maybe you want to share this code and get some more invites. There's other ways of boosting up your rewards. Let's see if we click the rewards section right here. As you can see right here, guys, you got to scroll down and just get everything done, right? Just do all these things, and you know the rewards are counted by if you send some chats, how many members are in your group chats that you created, how many people referred, and how many followers you got. So let's get it going. Let's be active on this app and let's get these airdrops, y'all. Thank you all for following and subscribing. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Thank you.